Hello, it's Elliot from Kent Estate Agencies, and today we're taking a look at April Cottage on Rayham Road. Now, this deceptive detached bungalow offers a large open plan kitchen, dining and living space, the kitchen being of a contemporary style fitted with the large island unit. You've got three really good sized bedrooms, a 66-foot rear garden with large patio space, off-road parking to the front, and of course you've got the planning permission here granted for the first floor extension, which of course we can provide further details on. Really convenient location here, nicely tucked away, and the property itself is offered with no forward chain, so a nice easy option for you to come through and take on. So coming through from the main hallway there, of course we've got the main family bath and shower room up next. Nice big open shower unit on the right hand side, bath on the left. You've got the towel rail there on the right, loo and sink unit, all really nicely spaced up. Lots of light coming through as well. So on from here we've got that open plan living kitchen and dining space through to the rear. And of course a little bit more bedroom space to go through and take a look at before we head out into the rear garden. Now, the kitchen itself, fantastic, really nice and contemporary with its design, a range of fitted units, a range of fitted appliances as well, that large central island unit as well, forming a real space for entertainment too. And then of course going on from there, really nice amount of space to work with just on the right hand side there as well. And then of course you've got the doors leading you out into the rear garden from this one too. So on from here we're going to go into the rear garden a little bit later on. We do have the last of the bedrooms to go through and take a look at. Really convenient spaces as well. The garden itself, a fantastic amount of space there. You've got a 66-foot rear garden with that fantastic patio as well. And of course you've got the studio space in the garden too. So there we have it. That has been April Cottage on Rayham Road. A wonderful and very much deceptive detached bungalow here with that large open plan kitchen, dining and living space, contemporary fitted kitchen, three good sized bedrooms, 66-foot rear garden with patio, off-road parking to the front, no forward chain with this one, and planning permission granted for the first floor extension. I really do hope you've enjoyed taking a look at the property with us today, and don't forget, if you like the way that we're presenting our properties in these video tours, why not give us a call today to book your own free valuation.